Welcome, beautiful soul. Today we are opening to the gentle, loving presence of Holy Fire Reiki. Reiki is a healing energy, an intelligent light, a divine support that meets you exactly where you are. It's something you simply allow. If you would like to receive this healing, you may say silently in your mind, I am open to receive. Now imagine a radiant light above your head, a presence that feels pure, safe, and holy. This is the Holy Fire energy. It carries peace, clarity, and deep remembrance. As it begins to flow downward, allow it to enter through the crown of your head like a soft golden waterfall, moving gently into your mind, soothing your thoughts, clearing any mental noise, bringing stillness and peace. Let this light move into your forehead, your third eye, inviting intuition, inner knowing, and trust. Now imagine this light moving into your throat, releasing anything unspoken, any tension, any heaviness, making space for truth, ease, and breath. Feel the energy moving into your heart, your beautiful heart, the center of your being. Let the holy fire wrap around your heart with warmth, compassion, and divine embrace. You may silently affirm to yourself, I am held, I am supported, I am loved. Allow this healing energy to flow down into your belly, the space of creation, the space of life, and the space of deep feeling. Restoring gentleness, balance, and peace. As the energy continues to flow down through your body, into your hips, your legs, your feet, feel yourself becoming grounded, rooted, connected to the earth. Imagine any heaviness leaving you now, gently flowing into the ground, being transformed into light. Stay here for a few breaths, receiving exactly what your soul is ready for today. You may slowly begin to return, open your eyes, and thank yourself for showing up today. May you carry this beautiful energy with you through the whole day. Thank you so much for being here.